This over here is your spacious living area that you think you can see. Your kitchen is very spacious. This over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Pearl Icon by Chandiwala located in Malad East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. Also to my left is the actual land parcel of the project where you can see the actual tower and the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of more than 0.5 acre that has one tower with 2 wings of ground plus 22 story, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now, before getting into the amenities part, let me tell you that I am standing at the actual lobby of the project of the actual tower. This you can see, you have a double-heighted lobby over here. You will be getting a reception and a seating area. You can see how spacious this lobby is. From this, you can get an idea how luxurious your amenities will be. This project has 10 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Pathanwadi near Tuba Restaurant, Malad East, from where Oberoi Mall is at a distance of 3 minutes, Dindoshi Metro Station is at a distance of 2 minutes, GMLR is at a distance of 1 minute, and you have Malad Railway Station at a distance of 7 minutes from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering the 2 BHK of the residential project Pearl Icon. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 634 square feet. As we enter, you can see at the entrance you have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. Along with the stainless steel sink, you can see your kitchen is very spacious. You will also be getting full French windows in the kitchen. You have space provided to place your washing machine, and you have also space provided to place your refrigerator. Moving forward, this over here is your spacious living area that you can see is spacious enough where you can easily place your 2 side sofas. You will be getting vitrified tiles on the whole flat. You can place your center tables, customize your TV unit in the living, and again you will be getting full French windows in the living area. Moving forward, this side we have your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms and common washroom. First over here we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this is your common washroom that will be coming with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Opposite to your common washroom is over here your common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed. You have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can customize your wardrobe. Your wardrobe space is also very spacious. You can see you have walkable space even after placing your furniture. This over here is a wardrobe corner that you can customize, which is also very spacious, and yet again you will be getting full French windows in this common bedroom. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project. And then, if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on Housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you can see this over here is the space of your master bedroom, where you can place your king-size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable area even after placing your furniture. Again, you will be getting full French windows in your master bedroom. Also, the wardrobe corner that is provided in your master bedroom is very spacious. You can also build lofts if you want. And over here in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Pearl Icon. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Pearl Icon by Chandiwala Group located in Malad East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.